Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Doctor's Kit is probably one of the most engaging toys you can get for a 3-year-old. It's a fantastic way to encourage imaginative play, which is super important for their development. These kits not only provide hours of fun but also introduce kids to the world of doctors and healthcare in a playful, non-intimidating way, making them perfect for curious little minds. Number 5. Kidzlane Doctor Kit for Kids. This 12-piece doctor play set encourages learning about the human body and creativity. It sparks your child's imagination with a variety of medical tools and gadgets. The stethoscope produces a heartbeat and coughing sound. The included cell phone features exciting tones to enhance the play experience. You can neatly store the toy doctor set tools in the durable carrying case. Snap-lock latches and a spacious design make it easy to carry and organize the medical kit. This is a great gift idea for boys or girls. Wish them a fantastic Christmas or birthday with these cool gifts that encourage imaginative play. Built with quality and safety in mind, the durable plastic instruments are easy to clean. This toddler doctor set provides lasting play and peace of mind for parents. What we like. This set features realistic sounds, like a heartbeat and coughing. It also comes with a carrying case to keep everything organized. If you are looking for a doctor kit that offers an immersive experience with easy storage, this is the perfect choice for your little one. What people say. The kit is very nice. It comes in a very durable and reusable plastic case. The stethoscope, when pressed on the chest, makes one of two sounds, cough or heartbeat. The mini telephone that comes in this kit was a great hit. It also has sound effects built into the phone, and it's the right size for a 3-year-old to hold comfortably in hand. The stethoscope makes a coughing sound, and the kit has more doctor tools than you could image. The thermostat has a smiling or sad face, and she can push the shot down to pretend. The blood pressure cuff is easy for her to squeeze, and she can see the needle moving. All of the pieces are just adorable, and she uses them all. The stethoscope makes heartbeat coughing noises, quietly, when the button is pressed, and the phone, old school Nokia 5110 style, rings and makes other phone noises. The syringe is spring return, which is good for little ones. The case is good quality and great for packing them away. Number 4. Battat Doctor Kit, 11-piece pretend play set. This doctor kit is perfect for sparking your child's imagination. It comes with everything they need to play doctor or nurse. They can have fun while learning about health and the human body. This 11-piece kit includes a stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, and more. It has a variety of doctor tools in fun colors. It will provide hours of fun for your little one. This kit helps improve problem solving, emotional development, and social skills. It encourages pretend play, allowing them to act as a doctor or nurse. It is a great way to learn and have fun. Made from kid-safe plastics, this kit meets US and Canadian safety standards. The packaging is also made from recycled materials. You can rest assured that it is safe for your child. The carry case makes it easy to store and transport the kit. Your child can take it anywhere and make house calls to their favorite toys. It is convenient and easy to carry. The kit includes a carry case, scissors, stethoscope, thermometer, reflex hammer, mirror, ear checker, tweezers, tray, syringe, and tongs. It has everything they need for their pretend play. It is a complete set for your little doctor. What we like. This kit is designed to teach kids about health and the human body. It's made from kid-safe materials and includes a convenient carry case. If you want a doctor kit that combines fun with learning and portability, this is an excellent option. What people say. The stethoscope works and amplifies sound. The kit includes a variety of tools like a syringe, thermometer, and reflex hammer. The doctor's kit is a great toy for kids who love to play doctor. Number 3. Liberry Doctor Kit for Toddlers. This doctor kit is designed with little hands in mind. The tools are made of durable, non-toxic ABS plastic, so you don't have to worry about safety. They are also easy for kids to grasp and play with. The electronic stethoscope makes a heartbeat sound. The sphygmomanometer's gauge rotates, and the thermometer, otoscope, flashlight, and dental mirror all light up. These features give children a more realistic experience while they play. This playset stimulates imagination and creativity. It also helps kids understand different medical tools and body parts. Playing with it can relieve their anxiety about going to the doctor. The sturdy storage box is spacious. It's perfect for home or travel. The case holds all the Doctor playset items, keeping your room tidy. It also teaches children to store their toys. This Doctor kit is a great gift for any occasion. It's perfect for parties, role-playing, or just for fun. By playing with it, children can learn more about doctors and reduce their fear of checkups. What we like. This kit offers realistic sound and light effects to enhance the play experience. It also encourages imaginative play and comes with a convenient storage box. If you have a child who loves interactive toys and needs a tidy storage solution, this is a great pick. What people say. It's fun and realistic. The variety of pieces are very true to the real doctor's instruments. Has lots of items to play with. It has many pieces and they are sturdy and easy to use. Children can be creative and use their imagination to play alone and or with others. Many of the pieces light up or have a gentle sound that supports a child's pretend play. Number 2. Toddler Doctor Kit Dress-Up Toys. This amazing Doctor kit is perfect for young children. It includes a doctor coat and various fun tools for imaginative play. This set is designed to be realistic, with a stethoscope that makes heartbeat sounds. The thermometer and otoscope also light up, providing a more authentic experience for the kids. With this toy set, your kids can pretend to be doctors, nurses, or veterinarians. They can heal people or pets, and enjoy hours of fun through role-playing games. All the doctor tools can be stored in a sturdy case, keeping your home tidy. The case has a handle, making it easy to take on trips. It also helps children develop the habit of packing up their toys. This is a great toy set for kids aged 3 to 5, suitable for any occasion. It's practical and fun, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just for fun. What we like. This set is designed to be realistic, with features like a light-up stethoscope. It encourages imaginative play and comes with a handy case. If you like a doctor kit that offers an authentic experience with easy storage, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The stethoscope looks like it's designed for children's ears, and so the actual plugs are sized and shaped in a way so that they can't dig into your ears and cause damage. They really love the band-aid that goes on like a cuff bracelet and clings to little arms or legs. Every single piece in the kit is well made, fun, and engaging, making pretend play exciting and interactive. Number 1. Liberry Doctor Kit for Toddlers. This doctor kit is made of high-quality, non-toxic plastic. It has smooth edges to ensure your child's safety while they play. You can have peace of mind knowing they are playing with a safe toy. The electronic stethoscope allows children to hear a heartbeat, and the sphygmomanometer functions realistically. These accessories with sound and light provide a realistic playing experience. It helps them to feel like a real doctor. Playing with these doctor toys helps children become familiar with medical tools. This can reduce anxiety and fear associated with doctor visits. It also enhances their imagination and social skills. The kit includes a stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, and more. It also comes with a medical bag to store all the tools. This makes it convenient to carry around. This medical kit is a great gift for parties, role-playing, or as a reward. It's perfect for children aged 3 to 5 years old. They will definitely love it. What we like. This kit is made from safe, durable materials and includes accessories with sound and light effects. It's also a great gift for any toddler. If you are looking for a doctor kit that offers a realistic experience and is easy to carry, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The pieces are interactive but not in an annoying way. There are little lights on the otoscope and flashlight that can be turned on and off. The stethoscope has a quiet little heartbeat. The blood pressure cuff is activated by squeezing air into it to move the dial around. Thermometer has different temperatures to choose from. The batteries are not replaceable, which means no accidental ingestion of button batteries. The toy for checking ears and the piece for looking in the mouth actually light up, which is really neat and enhances playtime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.